This is an industry that is toddling towards adulthood. We're just very much coming to our feet and developing our own personalities as coins. There are not strong fundamentals yet. And all coins are trading really at a very strong discount to what they eventually are going to be. There's a lot of opportunities. Certainly challenges like identity or AML KYC have wide open opportunities that are still being tapped. And staking is another powerful thing. We get some value from securing the network, and that has some utility. But it really comes back to the fact that coins are really trading on what they might be one day. And that brings me to the second point, a market for lemons. This was a famous economic paper about used cars and why the price of used cars is so low. And those have a lot of things in it. Investors have a hard time judging the value of the assets. There's a lot of incentive to pass a poor quality product onto the market and cash in. One of the challenges of the industry is there's very limited quality assurance in the form of regulation. That's in some ways a great strength, but it's also a challenge for investors to decide, what if this coin isn't a good project? And I think one of the challenges with good coins or great coins is it's very hard to distinguish them from junk. And there's a lot of junk out there. And I think some of the things that Cardano is doing, a very experienced management team, the research and the code base that's reviewed and out there, the long-term commitment through things like the treasury and the governance with Catalyst. And certainly as we move through our development roadmap and deliver the product, those again are things that really are powerfully rewarded by the markets. And it's interesting because of the lack of differentiation among coins. Is one thing we often see is any coin that's delivering these tends to benefit kind of its close peers. And so that's something that we probably will change. Anything that boosts trust or confidence in crypto assets is just strongly positive for the price. And one thing we saw in late 2020 was many institutional players jumping in. And I think that's a great sign to the industry that this is a more mature industry. It's a great time to be in crypto because it's a market that is rapidly changing. We're starting to see real product differentiation.